get his tractor back online. Hey, welcome back. Got a small little fix this morning. Thought I'd bring you along. This is a ground clamp off of a tractor for my brother-in-law. And I don't know if you see it, but the ground clamp broke off. It actually, well, this was wrapped around here, but the eyelet piece broke off of the end of this, and so all of a sudden he had no power because it wasn't grounded anymore. Anyway, so went up to our little local Ace is a place with a helpful hardware, man, and I got a nice large one. I took the wire with me. They have a selection. This is a 1/0 size. He even puts it on there. If I can do it, 1/0, and a 3/8 hole, which is what the old one was. And this one's a lot thicker, a lot stouter. Let me hold the two up. That's the old one and the new one. And this is a big tractor, real big for me. I know it's not like, Midwest big where they got like 8 wheels on them and stuff. But for around here in Tennessee, it's a good sized tractor with a cab on it. It's got a good sized motor, diesel engine. So we're going to put this one on it, and we're going to solder it in. I don't have a clamp to clamp these down, so I'm going to try to clean this out real good, clean this off real good, and solder it. And then if we need to put some crimps in it later, we can, but I'm going to see if the solder will hold pretty good. I need to clean inside there, so I'm going to take some tape. That'll probably work. Some sandpaper here. Tear a strip of that off. All right. Out of the way. Very much. Bunch this over. You probably can't see in there, but it cleaned it out pretty good. Just wanted to scrape, cleaned up some, get the layer off so I can put some flux and some solder in there. I need to see if I can get some of this cleaned up. Get some flux on it. And some flux. Don't have very much flux. See, I might need some more flux. right. Now let it cool down, see what happens. Okay, it's cool to the touch. I'm gonna wire wheel it. Okay. Yeah. All cleaned up. Wow, man. Won't come off. A little solder dripped on the side here. See if I can clean that up, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. I ain't gonna worry about it. Hopefully I'll take care of it. Get his tractor back online. Anyway, this is a quick video fixing this. Hope you found it interesting and helpful. Maybe if you need to do something like that. Like I said, I just took some solder, cut up some chunks, but I cleaned the inside first of the copper end here, and then put flux in it and flux on the wires to help clean that off. And then I just melted it all in there and got everything hot so that when I put it together, it all flowed good between the strands. And that was my main goal. And hopefully everything's clean enough that it won't ever come off. So, y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.